Hello, welcome to Berkshire Used Cars' latest video of this 2016 65 registered Citroen C4 Grand Picasso. This is the 2 litre HDi Exclusive Plus 6-speed automatic. It's a lovely shade called Polar White. Current mileage is 43,951. It's one register to keep the car from new. In excellent condition, as I hope you can see. Full Citroen service history. We have 4 services in total. The most recent service has been carried out on the 6th of January 2020 at 43,400 miles, approximately 500 miles ago. Service schedule is annually or every 20,000 miles. MOT expires on the 26th of January 2021 and there were no advisories. Very good set of tyres, Michelin and Dunlops, 5.2 or 4mm on the front, 6.5, 6.6mm on the rear. Very high level of equipment on this car, being the Exclusive Plus. We have front and rear parking sensors along with the rear parking camera, electric power tailgate, LED front running lights and privacy glass. Very economical 2 litre HDi engine, 150 brake horsepower, returns an impressive 61.4 mpg, band C for road tax, just £30, Euro 6, therefore exempt from ultra low emission zone charge, and the car does have ADBLUE. Inside we have a beautiful optional full leather upholstery, panoramic glass roof as well, internal door sun blinds, fitted mats, front and rear electric windows, electric folding wing mirrors, multifunctional steering wheel where you have cruise control along with the speed limiter, auto headlights along with auto wipers, sat nav as you can see, digital DAB radio, Bluetooth telephone along with Bluetooth music streaming facility, USB connection along with auxiliary, heated front seats along with massage facility, this excellent condition 1 registered keeper Citroen Grand C4 Picasso will be supplied with 2 sets of remote central locking keys. We do have the handbook for the car, we have the service history, tyre inflation kit is present along with locking wheel nuts. We can offer some very competitive finance terms at the moment, so this is an example of a PCP quotation using a 20% deposit. Interest rate is fixed at 4.5%, APR representative here is 10.2%. Further information, please go to our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you can read a full vehicle description, view the extensive photography along with the walk around video, see all of the warranty information, use the interactive finance calculator, as well as reading independent consumer reviews. Thanks very much for watching the video. Any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with Berkshire Used Cars.